Yeah, thanks, man.
No, thank
Okay.
you. It says it's streaming.
Okay, well, we'll just start, yeah,
Yeah,
then.
it is streaming. I just checked
Yeah?
on the channel. Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, perfect. So, yeah, well, let's see. Welcome, everybody. Let's start with that. And, yeah, are there any questions or are there things that people have things to say before we start? Guess not. You guys all hear me? Everybody here?
I
Yep.
hope so.
Yeah, yeah, can
All
hear you.
right. Okay, perfect. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Who wants to start with what they've been doing and how are they doing? Who's the first one?
I can start. I gotta drop off in 20 minutes.
Yeah, perfect.
So I'm working on 581. I got some comments from Dan yesterday on fixing the builds. I responded back with some questions. Just a little confused why we need to split a PR from front end and back end into two separate PRs.
Yeah,
But otherwise, I think the functionality is all there at this point. It's just sorting out the build.
perfect. Yeah, so that's the backend part that you have
This one,
done.
I've done
Yeah.
front end and back end.
Oh, you done both. Okay.
Yeah.
Because you're talking about splitting them up. Because we.
Yeah, I think that was the suggestion from Dan is to fix the build is to split the PRs into
Yeah.
front end and back end. Okay.
Okay. Well, perfect. But so you can make a PR.
Yeah, I'll be doing that later today.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Or there's a PR already open. That's an old one probably.
No, so this is the one that I'm having issues with it building in Vercel. And so what I'm
Oh yeah.
going to do is follow Dan's suggestion and take all the backend functionality and put
Yeah.
that into a separate PR from the front end functionality.
Yeah. And the backend PR, where is that?
I am going to open that later today.
Oh yeah. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Great. So you're good, I guess. Or you need
Yeah.
anything?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Nice. Good work. Yeah. Who wants next? So, Lux, how are you?
Yeah, I was just looking for the ticket numbers that I was working on in the week. I did, which was at 550, the personality type transitions, the gradients on the personality types on player profiles.
Yeah.
That's done. I think it's been merged. Yeah, it looks like it has been. And what else to do? Are the text links for the profile setup and disconnect actions. I sorted those out so that on desktop it's text and icons on mobile devices, and I sort of sorted out the alignment and some sort of white spacing issues there. Just tidied up the interface a bit. I think that's been approved. Yeah, if you go onto the, I think further down on that ticket, or perhaps in the pull request, there's a screen grab of, there you go, the PR there, yeah. should be a screen grab in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, I've addressed all feedback. That's sort of ready to go. I think Danny might have merged it, maybe.
Oh, it's yeah, merged, closed, and deleted.
Cool.
Okay, nice.
So yeah, a couple of little intro PRs. What else? I was having a look through the sort of roadmap, outstanding issues, and seeing like what's been stale, so what's sort of got stale, and if like what's happening with them. So who was it? I can't read my notes. Rob Tobas, he was working on 385. I commented on 385 the other day, and he reached out to Discord.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Yeah, it was a bit of a looks like it was a bit of a debacle.
Yeah.
And because it's taken a while, there's a ton of conflicts.
Yeah, true.
So yeah, he said he's going to try and get back to it this week, and sort of come back and have a crack at doing some more work with us. Just apologise for the nightmare. I know. I think Danny Ram and Alec had apologised already, but you can't apologise enough sometimes. Yeah, so that's that. I think he'll sort of sort that out later in the week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, well, you sign it to yourself when you want to do it, or you want to have it.
Well, I was going to leave for him to sign when he picks it up again.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, if he doesn't pick it up, I'll pick it up, or one of the engaged optos or something can pick it up as a job.
And you posted it. Oh yeah, a day ago. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Also, I commented on 343 when Sandeep was working on over the hackathon.
343.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one. Yeah, this is an annoying one.
So, I mean, it's pretty simple fix in my mind, but they said they've been flat out with work. But again, we'll come back to it towards the end of this week, hopefully.
Yeah, the problem with this one, I've been looking into this one earlier for a very short moment, but the problem with this was that you can't put a certain element inside.
No, so you put a absolutely positioned link element sort of behind it, and put the content sort of sitting above it in the Z index. That's how I sort of how Disbullock was saying.
Yeah.
I'm not the greatest JavaScript dev, so with regards to like event propagation, bubbling, and stuff like that, I mean, if I was doing that in HTML, like without React and all that stuff, that's how I do it, and maybe make the social links there slightly bigger, kind of areas for mobile users.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm aware with like React and JavaScript and stuff, you've got all the event bubbling and stuff like that. So Yeah, but in terms of CSS and that's not a tricky thing, I don't think.
The problem was with the design system that we were or the framework we were using, like the UI chakra.
Oh,
But
the
it
chakra,
was
yeah,
that
yeah,
was the problem. It was more with the framework. But yeah, then just have a look at it. If you can fix it, it will be great. It's been
but
on
yeah,
there for a while, so
I'll see if Sandeep picks it up this week.
yeah, I've seen some deep for a while, and I don't know if he's gonna pick it up still because he's
Well,
been
he,
out
he
for a bit and it's not going so well with him. He
oh
wasn't.
right, okay, fair enough. All right, well, yeah, he did say try and pick it up this week, but if he doesn't,
Okay,
then
okay,
um,
okay. Well, let's just give him some time, and yeah, if he doesn't pick it up, then it's open. Okay. Okay. Well, if you're yeah, if you do, if both of them answer or something, you just
yeah,
sign it. Yeah.
yeah, we'll do.
And then if you can put it in the sprint log. So
Yeah, and the
okay.
backlog.
Here, if you have the sprints, you can assign a sprint to it.
Right, cool. Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
So
yeah.
yeah, you're good then.
Yeah, I'm good. Hopefully, I haven't been treading on toes this sort of last few days while I've been prowling GitHub and commenting on stuff. But yeah, I just want to try and get things moving. Um, where they seem to have sort of hit a dead end or whatever.
Yeah, if you can pick up the issues. Oh, sorry, Pete. Yeah.
No, just saying you. Thank you for reviving the issues. I noticed that you were commenting on a lot of the stale ones.
Yeah, no worries. And I'll keep an eye out for some new folks to sort of pick up some of these good first issues.
Yeah. So and are some of those here now? Because let's see.
Well, we've got Sack of Joy
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
Jonathan.
John P. Um,
Oh yeah. Yeah.
your
You were last time also, right, Jonathan?
I was a couple weeks ago, and then I'm looking to get back in and see what issues I can work on, and yeah, I got everything up and running locally, and just kind of exploring and getting a feel for the code base.
great.
Okay. Nice. If you need anything, then yeah, just let us know.
Yeah, thank you so much. I will do.
Okay. So yeah, Dan.
So
Or is there anything?
no. I was just going to say that's me done. Thanks.
Oh, thank you. Dan.
Hey guys,
Hey man,
um,
how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you guys? I'm finalizing the filters feature. Like it's pushed, and I'm waiting for pull request review. I'll work with Dave there to get the design as closely implemented as possible. A little more things to be done there, like pagination and like the time zone filter and stuff. I'm coordinating with him to get those things done in a separate PR.
Right.
Um, yeah, that's my update. Other than that, I like did some pull request reviews and mod some dependency upgrades. But yeah, minimal stuff.
That was what issue was that again?
I'm working on the PR 596. I think the issue is 503 or something. Yeah, 503 issue.
Oh yeah, the filters. Oh yeah.
Yeah, but PR is actually 596, and there'll be a couple more PR probably after this to fully finish this issue. So I made some good progress and quite happy with how it looks right now.
Okay, cool.
Good work.
Can you post a link to the? Is that here? To the maybe post a link in this
Yeah,
issue
of course.
to the Figma file.
So the Figma file is there in the issue. It's all the
Uh,
way on top.
oh here. Oh yeah. I missed it completely. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Nice. Pete, did you want to say anything?
No, just saying good job on the filters.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, I've shared the link to if anybody wants to see the latest. It's on the chat.
Wow. So here it is. Yeah. Great. Nice. Um, 16. Okay. And
I can't
269.
really see your screen. Is there any? Oh, yeah, it keeps going and going. No, I'm talking
Yeah.
about the actual deployment which I've shared in the HT chat.
What? The actual deployment?
I've shared a link in the HT chat, but
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice.
it's a bit slow now because it's fetching a lot of things. So I'm working on a pagination thing, which will only fetch 10 at a time and
Yeah.
fetch more as you scroll down, which will be in a separate tier.
Yeah. Um, Here you can do this. Okay. Um, let's see. Can I search by or select by guild?
That's not available yet. Actually, that will come only once we have a bot put in every Discord.
Oh, when
Currently,
yeah.
yeah, currently the way the guild has fetched their text from a subgraph, and we don't have filtering capabilities there, so we can't really bring them up on the UI.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
once we have it in our database using our own bot, we should be able to get the filters up.
Yeah. Get it immediately from the Discord bot.
Yeah.
Okay. Goes well, man. Looks really good. Can I see it?
What did you say?
Let's see. Oh no, I asked also if
You
people
should have
can
the
see
filter
it.
selected for the pioneers.
Oh yeah.
That's why you couldn't find me.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, well, that goes smooth.
Yeah.
264 initial wireframing. Oh yeah. Okay. So that stays here. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Thanks. So you're good, right?
I'm good.
um. Let's see. 264. Um. 264. Lux, you
Yeah,
mentioned that
there's
you're.
yeah, yeah. There's a link in chat with a link to the Figma uh, for this section.
Okay.
It's pretty early days, just a rough kind of idea. Uh, yeah, I dropped a link into the chat and Jitsi.
Yeah. Can you do you have access to the issue so you can edit it and put in the Figma file?
Mm. Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah. Um, yes. He literally sent it like 20 minutes, half an hour before the call. Um,
Okay. I saw him in there.
um,
Yeah.
uh, things going slow. Um, here you go.
Be a sign as well.
Hello.
Yo, yeah. Where I'm looking into the issue. I moved it to in progress and set the sprint for it, but you're not assigned to it, so I'll assign you
No,
to it.
it's all right. Okay, cool. Yeah. We're just getting the design kind of uh, the flow for the design for the flow done. But yeah, assigned to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So for a developer, you're just it's your responsibility this issue then.
Cool.
So
Yeah,
that's good, right?
happy
Okay.
days.
Let's see. Lux. Don't know why it's not working, but
I
okay.
just assigned myself.
Oh yeah. Okay. Nice. Uh, okay. Good. Um. Yeah.
Cool.
Um. Who else? Uh. Vivi. You here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hey man. How are you?
I'm doing great. I've been working. I worked on PR number 600, which adds meta tags for making embeds on Discord when we link the site.
Yeah.
It's pretty much what I've been doing. I had a chat with Penguin to work on some of our bots, so I'll probably be working on the Shepherd NPC after like this week, I think.
Nice.
Okay. Nice man.
I'm actually waiting if someone would approve the deployment of this for the preview deployment, so that like we can check the PR for if it's working properly by using the Vercel links.
Yeah. Okay. Let me because you're working on this, so let me also assign it to you. Um, hmm. Oh, maybe you're not part of the team. Are you a member? Can you see that?
No, I am not a member, and I'm not a player. I'm a patron and a curious author.
Okay. Pete,
Yeah, yeah, hearing you.
is it good to make him a player and add him to the GitHub team so I
Yeah.
can assign him? You have access to GitHub, right, Pete?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you not have
So,
the ability to add people?
hmm?
Do you not have the ability to add people?
Don't think so. Let me check. Um, Metafam. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. Where can I do that again?
You go metafam and then people.
Metafam. Um, nah, don't think so.
Okay. I'm trying to add you, but there's many people called VIVI. Or how do you spell it?
What's your GitHub name, Vivi?
It's the same capital VY, VY dash VI.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, you should have the invitation. Sure can.
Then in that case, let's see. Oh,
Yeah, anybody else needs an invitation?
I can paste my GitHub name in the chat if you need.
Yeah, I already added you now.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
No worries.
Jonathan Brosey.
Jonathan, do you need an invite?
So have you accepted the invite, Vivi? Do you got received the invite from Pete?
Yeah, I'll just accept that and give me a second.
Yeah.
if you wouldn't mind, Peth, could you add me to the GitHub as well?
Yeah. Yeah,
Right.
you Fearless Thompson there as well.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, well, if you can assign the issue also to yourself, Vivi. I can't see you yet, but you should be able to do it yourself.
Okay, yeah, I accepted.
Um, so let's see. So you need anything now? Mm,
No, I'm good.
okay, nice. I was looking for the link to the for sale deployment, but you guys see me going through it, but that was what actually what I'm trying to do. Well, I see this link here, and the game kit for feed OG meta text. Okay, uh, because the filters are here are also some filters already here. No, didn't see that yet. Well, these are the one that you put in then. Yeah, right.
This is the older filters. I think that's there in all.
Oh, okay. Oh, that just got into this commit. Okay, nice. Yeah. Who wants to go? No. How are you?
Hey, sorry, this is I don't know why my Jitsy's all screwed up, but this is actually Defile Zebra. So I came on a little bit late. I don't want to derail this meeting, but if you have a few moments at the end, maybe we can chat notes. But I just got added to the GitHub thank you piece, but I don't really have any updates. I'm pretty green. I'm trying to learn. So
Okay.
thank
Well,
you.
yeah. Nice. Welcome. Okay. Well, I'll continue then. We almost there. Then we can talk a little bit more. Um. So, Jonathan, we got you. Blake. Hey, man.
Hey, how's it going?
Yeah. Nice. You.
Good, thank you. So yeah, nice to meet all you guys. I am a designer, but
Yeah.
I know how to code too, and I was looking for stuff to do recently, and in the designers meeting, um, they suggested that I start working on this new mega menu.
Yeah.
And so I got the development working on my local computer, and I've been working on it since last week. But this is the first time I've ever looked inside of ZenHub. So if there is a ticket,
Okay.
I don't know of it. But yeah, I'm working on it, and at some point, well, I'll look through the rest of the documentation and so on. But yeah, just being new to the code base and TypeScript too, I I could I would really talking to somebody for a bit, maybe having them review my work pretty soon, maybe next week or so.
Yeah. Okay. Well, welcome. And
Thank you.
yeah, well, we did a couple of weeks ago. We did a sort of questionnaire or a tutorial, like going through the code base with Alec, and yeah, we recorded that. That's on YouTube. So if you haven't seen it, then definitely watch that. That gives you quite some answers on questions about the code base, probably. And yeah, after that, just ask stuff in the channel. And yeah, most people are open for DMs or so. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
If you need any help, let us know. And let me check the mega menu issue because I'm trying to find it. And
I don't think it exists.
no,
I'm
okay.
opening it right now.
Are you working on it?
Yeah, I'm just opening it right now.
Okay, yeah, okay, nice. Um,
Hey, sorry to interrupt. Can we get that video pinned in the Builders Guild channel by any chance?
Yeah.
Code base
Isn't
video?
that built yet? Isn't that pinned? Yeah, the code base video. Isn't that there yet?
It's in there
I
somewhere.
don't see it pinned. I'm
I know the
good.
builder's path should be pinned, and the builder path contains the codebase walkthrough. But it wouldn't be bad to have the walkthrough itself as well.
No worries. I'll grab it from the Bitly. I just wanted to make sure that it was right up top and accessible. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that's definitely a good one. Thanks. Yeah, so um okay, so do you have have a GitHub account, Blake? It's been added, so you can see
Yes.
the issues also in GitHub itself without ZenHub. But yeah, ZenHub is pretty good, and there is just a link to it. So here's the link, and yeah, then you don't need to download or integrate into GitHub or whatever. You can just use it. I'll post it also in the Builders Guild channel.
Cool.
So
Thank you.
then you can use it through there. You just link your GitHub with ZenHub. That's it.
Great. Great. Thank you.
Yeah, and when Pete made the issue, just assign it to yourself. Then
Okay. I
you're
will.
good to go, man. Okay.
Well, just one last question.
Yeah.
The sprints. Are you guys doing like 2 week or 3 week sprints, or is it like more open ended?
Yeah. Well, the sprints are set for 2 weeks now. Yeah.
Cool.
So you take them everywhere in with a half of sprint now. So yeah. But
Okay.
doesn't matter. You can just start up and go. So it's not like you have to wait or something. Yeah, and if you need anything, just really just go out and then let's go. And if you're looking for people who want to join you while you're coding or whatever, yeah, we're sort of trying to set up that more people go into the builders dungeon, and then while you're working, you can stream, and most of the time people will join you, and yeah, so we're trying to motivate people to do that a little bit. So if you're up for it, then yeah, go ahead.
Nice. Okay. Cool.
It's
Thank
probably
you.
also good if you're just starting. People will definitely also join, yeah, who are a little bit more experienced, and then you definitely they can help you, you know. So yeah.
Cool.
Um,
Sounds good.
Okay, nice. Hey Thompson, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. How
Okay,
you?
nice. Yeah, good man. Good you're here. So, yeah, do you have anything you want to bring in or?
Not in particular. Like a lot of the design guild stuff that's been mentioned already was from like Lux, Blake, and maybe a couple of others. So it just sounds like there's good progress all around. If anything, if you have any messages that you want to deliver to the design guild, just let me know, and
Yeah,
I'll be here to obviously like help bridge the communication a bit. So,
yeah, amazing. Great man, great to have you.
okay, that's
Um, okay. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to
That's
pronounce your name. Oh yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
sorry, that's dis in Greek.
Oh yeah, oh
Um,
it's yeah, it's Metagame, man.
yeah.
Yeah,
This last week was mainly I've been working on an NFT for the Meta Factory, and most of my time went to that. I did a little bit of code review and checked out a couple small things. This coming week is currently Bogey's helping me with a 3D model, and I'm going to do some learn JS. I
oh
don't have
nice.
any. I don't have any specific metagame issues that I'm focused on right now. I'm just mostly doing code review and picking up small things here and there.
Mm, okay. Yeah, well that's good. So yeah, that's most where we still need the help of
Yeah.
like you and Alec and so that's great, man.
I talked to the ceramic people and they're launching, it's called self.id is their interface for creating profiles.
Yeah.
They said they expect that to launch in 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh,
Nice.
oh yeah, nice man. I was looking into ceramic. Yeah, and so in 2 3 weeks, and then is your plan to continue the integration, or do you?
Yeah, well, I mean, primarily most of the user interface stuff will be through that site, unless we
Yeah.
decide to replicate another interface for editing IDX records. But the simplest path forward would just be what we have currently, which is they go to um, Three Box's site to do the profile aspects, and then we just pull in that information into our system after they've edited it there.
Yeah. Sounds good, right? We can always make it later, so
Yeah.
let's do that. Okay, nice. Oh, great. That's really cool, man. To if you can use that, that would be really nice. Definitely. Okay. Uh, we're there, right? So I have one thing. I've been not been doing that much this week. I've been doing some other stuff, but I'm with the editor for the quests for the description to insert the editor. So, but the problem is that you need 100 P sheets to create an quest now, and I don't know exactly how to test creating or submitting the form then properly without having to have 100 PCs. So, is there anyone who can help me with that?
Yeah. Have you deployed it to the testing environment?
Okay, and then use the testnet.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, nice. Okay, well, if you can check that later, can we do that later, Pete?
Yeah.
Tomorrow or
Just send me the
something?
link and I'll try it out.
Oh, yeah, okay, nice. Okay, now that's fixed then. Okay,
Nice. Nice.
then I'm good to go as well. Okay, perfect. Okay, well, we're just in time, 10 minutes. Thanks, guys. And is there anything? Don't forget. Don't forget about the no. What was your name again? Who was no again?
Oh, it's sorry, this is Defile Zebra. So
Oh yeah,
typically I typically take notes
yeah.
for community call and the champions ring on Monday. This time is kind of tough for me to attend, but I just wanted to ask, do you guys, was somebody taking notes today, or somebody gonna have a chance to post them?
Well, the thing is that last time I started doing the builders call last week, all of the sudden.
Mm-hmm.
So and Penguin was there and he was taking notes, but Penguin isn't there now. So yeah, I don't know exactly if Penguin was really planning to keep doing that, or else I would gladly have you taking notes.
This time is kind of tough for me, but I took them today in case there weren't notes being taken. So uh, I'll clean them up and post them. Typically, what I'll do is link them in the meeting notes channel and put them into Discord, or I'm sorry, into Notion. So I've scraped up some of the notes that had been posted in the channel in the past few weeks to just get them into that archive.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and post today's as well. I will try to join this call, but like today, I was a couple minutes late, and it when I'm here, I'll gladly do it. If somebody else wants to jump in and do it too, that would be great. If they need any help or have
Yeah.
questions, you certainly don't have to do it the same way I'm doing it. I'm open to ideas, suggestions, or I would love to see somebody else's. I enjoy seeing other people's ideas of quick and dirty, but mine tend to go a little bit,
Yeah.
I don't know, long. But I'll go ahead and post today. I'll gladly try to take notes when I can join this meeting on Wednesdays, but I feel it's very important to be firm and clear about the fact that I am going to struggle to commit to being here every Wednesday. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Jonathan's
So,
in the chat, and he's actually mentioned that he can help with that. So he'll probably be able to help with the notes on Tuesdays, I guess. I'm not sure what his availability is. If Jonathan, you'd like to let us know.
Yeah, I'm very happy to take notes when I'm here. Is this the meeting time? Just to make sure I'm clear on the meeting schedule, because maybe we could like tag team it, or I'm happy to fill in or tag team the notes. But is the meeting schedule in the builders channel?
Yeah, it's always at this time, this day.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I can usually make this. So I'm happy to do that. And maybe we could tag team it or whatever. I'm love to look at like how you're taking the notes too, and just help contribute with
sure.
that.
Awesome. Yeah, let's sync up. So I'm Defile Zebra in Discord, but Null in Jitsi for fun. So, but yeah, are you Jonathan? Are you Jonathan P in Discord as well?
Yep. I'm gonna send you a message real quick.
All right, sounds good. Thanks. Cool. Well, that's all I had. Thanks, guys.
Okay. Well, thank you, guys.
I have
That
one
is.
small issue that's fairly urgent. If somebody has
Oh
time to
yeah.
take a look at it, the one I tagged. I tagged Hamad, Alec, and Mikhail, but I guess none of you had time to look at it. But it
Yeah.
would be good for somebody to add the page for the Metacartel Ventures Guild.
Yeah. Oh, you mentioned me. I didn't even saw it coming. It's coming through. Okay. Yeah. I'll look into it.
Yeah, we will have a meetup with them on Friday, which will be like part of them onboarding Metagame as a guild. So, and they opened this issue like 9 days ago. So it would be great if somebody created that page before Friday.
Okay. Yeah. But do we need a design or something?
No, I mean we already have the guild pages. Just need to create one for them as well.
Oh, one for them. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I don't. We can. I think that was done manually, just
Yeah.
in the database, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah. We were waiting for the onboarding bot for Discord, but it's not coming, so just onboarding them manually.
yeah. Okay, I'll check if I have access. If I can can do it in Elsura. I think I can actually. Then I'll add it, and else I'll ask Alec or Ahmad.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
So and I will communicate with you for the information.
Awesome, perfect.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Thanks.
And did we want to touch up on the wiki migration that like Sambra and Dan were talking about?
The sorry, I missed you there.
The yeah, up for talking about that. It's kind of don't know. Yeah, needs going forwards. We talked about it months ago, Keith, I think, and all of that, and I think it was Vivi. You brought up the meta tags in the wiki, and there's been sort of bit of chat on kind of wanting to add stuff to the wiki, but it kind of seems pointless to add stuff to the wiki if we're going to be migrating it somewhere soon. Or if we're not migrating it somewhere soon, then like we'll put some sort of work into the wiki, but it seems silly to do that when we could be focusing on actually migrating it.
Yeah.
And how important that is on the roadmap as well.
Yeah, I think we should not work on that right now and just work on rebuilding it on the wiki rather than focusing on the meta tags. That's why I closed the issue.
Can you say that again? It's not, I need to turn you up, I think.
I think I closed that issue on the wiki repository so that we could just focus on rebuilding the wiki rather than on the meta tags, because I think it's pointless to work on it if we're rebuilding.
Yeah, cool. Okay. I never see updates from GitHub. It's really shit at sort of notifying of any updates. I don't seem to get them through an email all the time. But you've commented, have you, Danny? Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So what is the problem with the notifications? You're you're getting it. What would you like to have for notifications?
I just like something like GitHub's always open on my laptop. Like multiple tabs. Yeah, I never get like there's a notification bell top right, but you click on it and it's just kind of I don't know. To be honest, I haven't sort of filtered. I haven't played around with notifications, but it's really easy to miss. Like the discussion in GitHub.
Yeah, you can check, but then you have to look for something like a UI, like a GUI or something, like an app for it. So maybe that adds some features for you that you would like to use. There are some. It's pretty good to use it actually. So it's up. That would be like the only solution I can think of.
What's that?
Like to use an app for.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Like you have a Kraken, Git Kraken or something. Here, this.
Oh right. Yeah. 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 I'll have a play around. Now I'm sort of being more active. I'll sort that out.
Okay, but yeah, we are like almost at an hour, and the wiki requires a long discussion. So I guess we should maybe set up a separate call for the wiki specifically.
Yeah, I think that's a good one. But shall we? Who's gonna take responsibility to set it up?
I can do it.
Yeah. Okay. Um, okay. You can also make an issue for it.
Okay, I'm not sure even where would I open the issue, in the game or the wiki.
Yeah, I think the wiki, right? I don't know, but maybe just the game because it's like one issue. It will be just one or two issues that's at the wiki. So
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, if you're all
Okay.
on the same
Well.
page that we're migrating to the game repo, then creating it in the game repo makes sense.
Yeah. Exactly. That's true. Okay. Well, let's discuss it later then because now.
Yeah.
Okay. Because now it's 5. Okay, guys. Okay. Thanks, guys. Talk to you
Thank
guys
you,
later.
everyone.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Sure, guys.
Today. Discussing. Yeah, we're not doing it yet. We're not ready. We decided to put it off, right? I didn't think we were doing it. I thought we were gonna have at least a meeting about it. I thought. I'm not ready to do it. Are you ready to do it?
What are you talking about?
The shitcoin showdown? I thought we were discussing it and planning it today.
Oh,
It's in the agenda.
I thought this is a better onboarding session.
This is.
No, it is on. It is. But in 2 hours or what does it say?
Yeah, you're not in the wrong place. Today's Wednesday, right?
I'm in later time.
Yeah.
In 2 hours, yeah. No, 3 hours.
I saw that.
Wait, there's another call, like a fourth call.
So I see better onboarding and midweek storming.
Yeah, but that's in 1 hour, not 3 hours.
Yeah, and shitcoin showdown is at 8 o'clock our time.
There is another call then.
If that's
yeah,
too much.
3 in total, yeah.
Yeah, 4 with the.
If that's too. If that's
There's a
too much
builder's
for
call
one.
too.
Yeah, just.
We can move it. We don't need to have so many meetings for anyone in one day. This isn't like some other places